So introducing single sign-on for identity providers in Syspro 8 2023. So this feature has been created to enable our community to say goodbye to the hassle of having to remember multiple usernames and passwords for multiple systems, and instead choose to use a single sign-on provider. So how can you access it? You go into the setup options. You'll find under system setup, and in the logon options there's now a new option to enable identity providers. You can enable it for all operators except the admin, all operators except administrators, or just specific operators. You can then configure the different identity providers that you want to be able to provide access to, and if you configure these and enable them, these will show up on the logon screens or as a selectable item within the Syspro desktop. Once you've defined your specific operators that will be allowed to use single sign-on, when they sign on to Syspro, they'll be able to bind their Microsoft account, LinkedIn account, or Google account with their Syspro operator, which will mean that from a futures perspective, anytime they log on, they'll simply be able to click the button to log on using that provider, no longer having to worry about remembering their Syspro username or password. So single sign-on for identity providers streamlines the authentication process, allowing our users to access multiple applications and service with a single set of logon credentials. So there's no more juggling passwords or wasting time with duplicate logons or asking for passwords to be reset by administration teams. Once it's been enabled in here, you'll see that the sign-on screens within Syspro then change to allow access and sign on using an identity provider of choice. So single sign-on with identity providers transforms access management now for Syspro 8 2023. It simplifies the authentication, enhances security, streamlines user management, and provides a very seamless user experience.